So now I have introduced the Recare brand pregnancy test that have three different types. One is midstream, another one is cassette, and then the third one is a strip. It's a strip. So this is our Recare brand. About the quality of Recare brand, I can introduce to you. We have produced rapid test more than 20 years. We have CE approved, ISO approved. Our quality control system and the production system is according to the international standard, ISO 13485 standard and the IVD standard. So the quality is very good. It is TUV standards. TUV CE certificate is issued by Germany TUV.